Hi everyone! So in this video I'm going to show you how to create intro like me. In this time we only use a smartphone application namely Kinemaster. So first of all we'll prepare many photo as possible. For example, I'm gonna use other photography from Instagram. So I have 50 photos that will be used in this editing tutorial. Okay, so let's get started into Kinemaster. Next, we add tap pause icon in the middle. Then select let's play it. Well, there it is. Hold it and trims to the right of our playhead. Because After that, we are going to Alpha City. And I want to bring down to around 75%.
Then select ease up just a little bit.
tap the tick. We are going out animation and select fade. Adjust the directions to around 2 seconds. Okay, then points to this part again. Then click the layer and select media. Then select the video that we export. And match the size as the text size. Then scroll down till you see blending. Change the blending mode to screen so that the video is inside the text. Do not forget we are going to add animation and select fade. Adjust the directions to around 2 seconds. So this is the result. So that is how to create intro like me. I think it's not very hard to do. And lastly, you can save this video, tap the share icons, adjust the resolutions and export. Thank you for watching.